Tasks in your process are often done sequentially, one after the other, which works for certain processes. And sometimes when we automate, we also automate individual tasks sequentially in your process. And this works, and it has its definite advantages. But automation becomes much more advantageous when we can simultaneously automate multiple tasks in a single process. If we can produce a machine that will take an assembly, a stacking, whatever process you have, and combine 2, 3, 5, 6, 15 different tasks that would normally be done sequentially, and do them all at the same time, simultaneously, in order. One machine doing a whole series of activities. Sometimes this is called continuous motion assembly, where the part moves through your assembly circle, like an assembly line that goes around the circle, and the individual tasks all happen at the same time at different stages on the different pieces that are going through. Very interesting way of doing things. It speeds things up. It reduces waste. And this really comes in handy when you look around your plant and you see a place where you have several people, 5 people, 10 people, 15 people, I've seen it, all huddled around a table, all trying to perform some multitask that has to be done. That's really where it is a benefit to automate, to bring in a system that can do all those tasks at once, simultaneously. Your throughput goes way up, your costs go way down, the waste is almost eliminated. So think about that. When you look at your process, don't just think, oh, I need to automate this and I need to automate that. Look where you can combine several tasks together into one and produce one piece of equipment that will do it all at once.